I have the exhaust for the Iroc. This was the original muffler and the pipes that were on it. I didn't see any need to go with the new exhaust. This is a Flowmaster muffler with 3-inch pipes. It was originally, it wasn't on the car very long. It was in good shape, so I decided to keep that. I did eliminate all the clamps. It was in a position. I took it all out as a one piece like this, being that I had the axle out and everything in the rear. So I did end up eliminating all the clamps. I welded all the pipes, and I'll put it in before I do the rear axle. Again, I did paint it. It actually came out real nice. This is the ultra high heat header paint. The exhaust coats real nice. It should actually keep this thing clean for a long time. So we'll get this back on the car and see how it looks. Before we hang that exhaust under the vehicle, I want to talk about some hangers on these 3rd gen Camaros and Firebirds. The only ones that are available are made by Walker. So this is what I have. This is on the passenger side, so the right side of the vehicle, that holds the pipe underneath the car. This is the aftermarket one from Walker. This piece seems to be fairly well built. It actually looks even better than the original that was off of the car. And what I have here is the one on the driver's side at the bottom of the vehicle. Well built again. It does come with kind of a cheesy hardware. I won't use that. I'll use a stainless steel bolt to hold it together. It'll go just like this, and that end of it bolts up to the body. Original was built a little better. You can see how this rubber piece goes through that bracket, so even if this breaks holding the rubber, it will still hang in there. And aftermarket one, being Walker in this case, didn't do that on this, but it should still be okay. So we have all the exhaust connected underneath. Actually, it's not all connected. It's just the back end of it that's all together underneath the vehicle. This bar is back on. Again, I welded all the pipes so it can be put together as a one piece. These hangers here worked out beautiful. Walker hangers. They're perfect. Remember, when you're putting these on, there is a little bit of an offset to this. If you notice, this is longer than this side. Obviously, the longer end will go towards the front of the car. So we got that in. Look at the underneath. We go on the other side. Here is the passenger side. That worked out beautiful also. Everything slips right in as it should. I've coated everything. Now all we got to do is connect the rest of the exhaust to the headers. And that's what we'll have coming up. First, it's time to get the axle back in. Again, this exhaust worked out nice. These hangers, they do work. They're perfect actually. So we'll get the axle in and start moving along with this project. Thank you for watching.